was looking at my awards. I thought to myself, well, when I die, which is going to be very soon. I mean, imagine within 100 years, none of us is going to be alive. Unless somebody breaks the world record for being the oldest person in the world. But none of us is going to be alive. So I was looking at them and I felt they mean so much to me. Because awards are a recognition of your efforts, whether it be dramas or films or in any field. But when I die, this is going to be trash for my children. It's not even like they're made of gold so they can sell it and maybe get some money. It's made of iron. And then I thought to myself, even if I become the most famous person in the whole world, nobody's going to care after I die. I mean, can anybody be more popular than Michael Jackson? No one, at least in our times. He's dead now. How big of a difference would it make to him now if I talk to somebody about Michael Jackson, maybe hear a song? And same goes for every other field, even in religion. Let's not follow fame. It's another problem in Islam also. I see a lot of speakers who do this so that they can gather a following. And those are the same speakers who tell that you will only find truth with us and nowhere else. So we have to go away from this arrogant behavior, even when it comes to the dunya or even preaching deen. I make sure I tell myself every day that am I doing this for कि लोग मेरी इज्जत करें, people call being good and righteous. I make sure I keep a check on that instinct. So anyways, I was looking at those awards and then I realized the frail nature of this world. Whatever I do here, no matter what, even if I get 10 Oscars and Academies, at the end of the day, very soon, I'm going to die. Now, even if you're an atheist, I mean, there's no denying you're going to die, right? It's not like atheists don't die. We all die. We had recently that guy died, right? Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant's death, you know, this is also Allah's way of bringing death to center stage in the world. You know, more than 1,000 people die in Islam every day due to natural causes, but we don't bring death into the center stage. But somebody like Kobe Bryant dies, and everybody in the world is reminded that, oh, wow, okay, death is real, we're all going there. So then that reinforced my decision that I should tread this path. And I would encourage all the youth that if your basic bread and butter is sorted, basic bread and butter, then dedicate your lives to learning your deen and dedicate your lives to spreading Allah's message within our circles also and to the world, because that's why we call ourselves Muslims. Otherwise, why would Allah need to raise an ummah? He doesn't need to raise an ummah. That's a test for us. People often tell me it's such a blessing to be born in a Muslim house. I say it is a blessing, but we have no idea what kind of responsibility it is as well. And that brings me to my last point. I think then we should move to question answers because I want to interact with all of you. That responsibility demands from us that we let go of arrogance, we let go of that false sense of self-righteousness, and we do tadabbur on Allah's deen with all our honesty. We disagree with each other with love. And we learn our deen and then present it to the world. And that, inshallah, hopefully, I mean, I'm doing this with a very selfish reason. that एक तो दुनिया में भी अल्लाह खैर फैलाए इस चीज़ से, और आखिरत में I hope that this life will let me have that VIP stand on the day of judgment. Allah Mia, that's one of the reasons I'm doing this, and that brings eternal satisfaction when you know that your purpose in life actually transcends your death. There's no bigger satisfaction than that. I've been the happiest person in the world since I've announced it.